What's your name?
Dean.
And how old are you?
3.
So show me a happy face.
Why we do sad first?
Okay, show me a sad face. Show me a happy face. Show me a mad face. Oh, show me a scared face. What other faces do you know?
Push-ups.
A surprise face? What about afraid? Do the angry face again. Okay, you want to do a push-up for me now? And then we're all done? That's quite a push-up, honey.